Hey you guys, I want to talk to the fans of Stitch in Heaven as well as the fans of a #1 New York Times best-selling author, Susan Mallery. I bet a lot of you have read Susan Mallery's books. She has written over, I don't know how many books, but she has titles like Summer of the Sunshine in Margot, California Girls. She has the Happily Incorporated series, as well as the Beloved Fool's Gold series. I'm sure that you recognize some of those. Susan is an amazing author. She lives in Seattle with her husband and her pets and her kitty cats. And she writes books that really speak to us. Now, if you follow authors like Marie Boswick or Jennifer Schiffineri or Jodi Piccolo, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, you would love Susan Mallery's books. So, what does this have to do with Stitch in Heaven? We were contacted by Susan Mallery's team to do a project featuring her latest book, Sisters by Choice. And we started brainstorming on this, and I got so excited about it because it was an opportunity for us to not only work with Susan, whose books I love, we also got to create a quilt that would go along with the book and the theme of the book. And this is the quilt that you see behind me. But I want to tell you a little more about the book first. The book is called Sisters by Choice, and let me just read you the back cover. It says, after her cat toy empire goes up in flames, Sophie Lane returns to Blackberry Island, determined to rebuild, until small-town life reveals a big problem. She can't grow until she learns to let go. If Sophie relaxes her grip even a little, she might lose everything. Or she might finally be able to be free to reach for the happiness and love that have eluded her for so long. Kristine has become defined by her relationship to others. She's a wife, a mom. As much as she adores her husband and son, she wants something for herself, a sweet little bakery just off the waterfront. She knew changing the rules wouldn't be easy, but she never imagined she might have to choose between her marriage and her dreams. Like the mainland on the horizon, Heather's goals seem beyond her grasp. Every time she manages to save for college, her mother has another crisis. Can she break free, or will she be trapped in this tiny life forever? Told with Mallery's trademark humor and charm, Sisters by Choice is a heartfelt tale of love, family, and the friendships that see us through. So, what we've done at Stitch in Heaven is we have created this quilt that you see hanging behind me, and we are going to be offering this to you as a complete project. It will come with the fabrics for the top. The fabrics are from Art Gallery. The colored prints are from Art Gallery, and the background is from Moda. It will include the laser cut applique shapes of the cats for you just to iron down and sew on. And it will also include the fabrics for the borders, the border, the binding, and the backing. The backing is adorable. You're going to want to have that. And it also includes a copy of the book from Susan Mallery, Sisters by Choice. So visit our website. You can see all the details and order your copy and your kit, or order your project today. This is Deb Luttrell with Stitch in Heaven. I'll see you later.